Friends, thousands of years ago, the people living on this earth believed that our earth is bigger than everything visible in this universe, and it was also believed that the sun and the rest of the stars revolve around the earth. Anyone who questioned this was given the harshest punishment because they believed that raising questions on this is like challenging the Almighty God. But with time, as science came into being, we came to know that where is our place in this universe? Viewers, today, forget all your worries and come with us on a journey which we will travel from our Earth to the last part of the universe. So, let's start it. Friends, after coming about 400 kilometers above the Earth, we will see a scene where the International Space Station is revolving around the Earth, and humans are waiting for it. It is the biggest station built in space, which you must have seen in many Hollywood movies. If the rockets coming from the Earth face any emergency in space, it provides them fuel and other things. You will be surprised to know that the International Space Station completes 16 rounds around the Earth in 24 hours at a speed of about 27,580 kilometers per hour. And now we have reached the moon. From the moon, you will see the view of the Earth like this. Looking at the surface of the moon, it seems that the Earth has been orbiting the Earth for the past 24 hours. It is believed that 4.3 billion years ago, a ball as big as the moon was visible from our Earth, and the debris from this collision gradually gathered and took the shape of our moon. The footprints you are seeing are of Neil Armstrong and his companions who came to the moon in 1969 for a mission, and these footprints will remain as long as the moon exists and probably will remain even after we reach the moon because there is no atmosphere on the moon. And now, we have reached a dangerous planet 61 million kilometers away from the Earth, whose name is Venus. It is said that many billion years ago, water used to be present on Venus, and it used to look like our Earth too. But with time, the water present here started evaporating, which created a different kind of greenhouse effect. And nowadays it is raining sulfuric acid here. That means acid rain. Sunlight comes here but cannot go back, due to which the temperature here is 470 degrees Celsius. So let us take you on a tour of its surface. Friends, the condition you are seeing may be similar in future on our land. If we control global warming, then this will be our future where nothing can survive. And now we have reached the planet Mercury, which is closest to the Sun. It is 77 million kilometers away from the Earth. The temperature here is 400 degrees Celsius during the day, while at night it drops to 170 degrees Celsius. And this is the Sun, which looks like Mercury, because of which all the planets of the solar system have their own beat, due to whose gravity our Earth and the rest of the planets revolve around it. This star, which is approximately 150 million kilometers away from our Earth, is so big that God knows how many millions of planets can fit in it. The flames coming out of the Sun are so big that they go thousands of kilometers above its surface. Till date, no one has been able to reach near it because it is so hot that nothing in the universe can reach near it. As soon as I come closer, I will melt in a few microseconds. Let us now move forward with our journey and go to that planet about which scientists are very serious, i.e., Mars. Yes, we have reached Mars. The soil here is red in color, due to which it is also called the red planet. After land, if we hope for life on any other planet, then the name of Mars will come out. It is said that rivers, seas, and lakes also exist here in the month of May. This is the reason why scientists are thinking about establishing colonies here in the future. If we have come to Mars, then how can we miss the solar system's largest and smallest Olympus moon? The mountain that will emerge as a result of volcanoes on the surface of Mars is 3 times bigger than the world's tallest and smallest Mount Everest on the ground. Now, the journey ahead is going to be a little dangerous because ahead of this is the asteroid belt, where many asteroids are revolving around the sun. There are so many asteroids in this place that a big city can be built on them. All these asteroids together can form a planet. But very big power of our solar system held them, and that power was Jupiter. The gravity of the largest planet of the solar system did not allow them to merge with each other. Jupiter, with its few big and dozens of small planets, is like a separate solar system. Even if the rest of the planets are included, they cannot compete with Jupiter. It is so big that if 65% of the planet is destroyed, it will close itself like the sun and become a separate star. This red spot on Jupiter's surface is a very big storm which has been going on for thousands of years. It is so big that 3 Earths can be made in it. Jupiter is not solid like the Earth, but is a big planet made of gases. If you land on Jupiter's surface, you cannot stand on it. Rather, you can walk inside it. And now, our next destination is Saturn, the largest planet in the solar system. The beautiful planet Saturn is known for its royal craters, which extend millions of kilometers above its surface. This planet is also considered the crown of our solar system. There are about 62 moons revolving around Saturn. Titan is the biggest and the most famous moon among them. Titan has its own atmosphere, and there are rivers, seas, and lakes on its surface, which are not made of water but natural. It is made of gas and looks exactly like our Earth. It is estimated about this upcoming moon that when the sun becomes a red giant, after several billion years, Titan will be in a habitable zone. That is, Titan will be capable of living there. Friends, in the course of our talks, we have reached so far from our home that from here the Earth looks like this. Beyond this are Uranus and Neptune, which are several billion kilometers away from our Earth. This is the reason why their discovery was possible only after the telescope was allowed. Beyond these planets is the Titan world, which is 20 times wider and about 200 times larger than the previous asteroid belt, in which there are millions of objects made of rocks and ice, and our Pluto is one of them. And now we have entered the interstellar space where one thing is seen traveling, and that is the same German spacecraft. Yes, you will be surprised to hear this, but the evil of humans is such a thing that has gone out of the solar system. This craft, which has gone about 19 billion kilometers away from the Earth, has revealed many states of our solar system. This spacecraft is moving ahead at a speed of about 17 kilometers per second. We will talk about it in a complete video later. For now, let's move on, friends. At this time, we are so far away that from here, the sun looks like a small star. Sunlight reaches the Earth in about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. But here, where we are present right now, it takes about a year for the sunlight to reach. From this, you can guess how far we have come. The number of comments present here proves that the gravity of the sun has not ended yet, friends. Comments. A very big cloud has surrounded our solar system, which we call the Oort cloud. After the Oort cloud ends, the sun's gravity also becomes weak, and now where we are passing through, it is dark. We cannot see anything with our eyes here. Hence, we will need infrared sensors to see. Upon looking here, you will see stars in huge numbers. Although we have come very far, but this distance is a small step in comparison to the universe. But we move towards our nearest solar system, whose name is Alpha Cori. The sun's orbit reaches here in 4 years and 3 months. A planet in this solar system is known as Proxima Centauri, which is in the habitable zone just like Earth. It is speculated that alien life may exist here. Friends, such huge stars are present in our Milky Way galaxy. Forget about traveling around them. It is almost impossible to even live in their entire life. Hence, to continue our journey, we move out of the Milky Way galaxy. This is our Milky Way galaxy in which God knows how many stars are present. Our Sun is one of them. If light also reaches our Milky Way galaxy, then it will take many years. And now, leaving our galaxy, we have entered the inner space where our Milky Way galaxy is. Like urban galaxies, there is a local group in which we cannot even find our galaxy. On the other hand, there is a local group in the same galaxy. This group is spread over about 10 million light years. If we move forward, we can see many such local groups. You will be surprised to hear this, but thousands of such local groups combine together to form a supercluster. Leave aside our solar system, even the Milky Way galaxy. Here our local group is looking like a small 3. From this, you can guess how big this supercluster is, which is spread over 110 million light years. And it is also like a small dot in front of our universe, because 1 crore such superclusters are present in our universe. And this is our observed Miss Universe, because beyond this, we can neither see nor guess. But the question is this our entire universe? Should we consider this as our entire universe? So, friends, as I just said, this is an observable universe. Whatever we know about our entire universe is inside it. It is possible that our universe is even bigger than this. But for now, we have been able to know only this much. We do not know anything about how big our universe is. Friends, Sajanan also believes that apart from our universe, there may be many other universes of which we have no idea. So friends, how was your journey? Do tell us in the comment section below before leaving. Before going, subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon. So, until our next video comes, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.